In this video, I wanted to look in a little bit more detail at a really exciting new book of ours, and that's Understanding and Improving Crop Root Function, which is edited by Emeritus Professor Peter Gregory of the University of Reading in the UK. Part 1 of the collection reviews recent research on understanding root system architecture and growth together with key interactions in the rhizosphere. Parts 2 and 3 assess how roots respond to biotic and abiotic stresses, while Part 4 explains how this understanding can be used to optimize root function. Well, to give you a better idea of the riches in this comprehensive volume, I picked out a couple of chapters to look at in a bit more detail. In Part 1, I've picked out Chapter 6 on plant root interactions with rhizobacteria by a really impressive team from the Australian National University, La Trobe University, the Chinese Academy of Sciences, the University of Bonn and the University of Melbourne. Well, this chapter summarises current understanding of the molecular determinants of nitrogen fixation in legumes. It then goes on to discuss challenges and opportunities for improving biological nitrogen fixation in both legumes and non-legumes, including the interactions of nodulation with biotic and abiotic stress constraints. Well, the second chapter that I wanted to pick out is Chapter 16 from Part 4 on the use of plant growth promoting rhizobacteria, PGPR, to improve crop root function. And this chapter is written by Melissa Larrabee and Louise Nelson at the University of British Columbia in Canada. And this chapter reviews recent research on the use of PGPR as biofertilizers to enhance root function and nutrient uptake. The chapter highlights new research on understanding the complex rhizobacterial community at the molecular level, which is absolutely crucial to ensuring a more consistent performance in the field. Well, I'll conclude, if I may, by quoting two leading experts in this area. First is Dr. Philippe Hinsinger, who's the head of Environment and Agronomy Division at INRAE in France, and he's been kind enough to comment as follows about the book. The proposed book is timely and highly relevant given the advances accomplished in this topic over recent years. Its content goes on to provide a comprehensive compilation of current knowledge by well-recognised experts in the field. The book promises to be a standard reference for scientists and students alike in plant and agricultural science around the world. My congratulations. Second expert that I wanted to quote is Professor Michelle Watt of the University of Bonn in Germany, and as you may well know, President of the International Society of Root Research. And she's been kind enough to say the following about this very comprehensive volume. This book brings together the foremost scientists in plant root research and promises to be a unique one-stop reference for the latest in root research. The chapters and topics are timely and important in exploiting our understanding of plant roots to help resolve the resource challenges facing agriculture. Well, we very much hope that this will become a standard reference in its field and will take root in your own collection.